In this video, I'll show you how to add themes to Notion, what themes actually means in Notion, and the best ways to customize the look of your pages. First, here's the important thing to know. Notion does not currently have a full theme marketplace where you install complete visual themes the way you might in some other apps. Instead, Notion lets you customize the look of your workspace using built-in style options like fonts, colors, page width, cover images, icons, and light or dark mode. Notion's Help Center explains that you can customize pages with text styling, font choices, colors, page width, callouts, icons, and cover art. So if you want to add a theme to a normal Notion page, the practical way is to style the page manually. Start by opening your page and clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Notion says you can choose among 3 typography styles: default, serif, and mono. You can also turn on small text and full width depending on the look you want. Next, customize the colors on your page. Notion's styling guide says you can apply text colors and background colors to blocks and content. This is one of the easiest ways to give a page a consistent aesthetic. For example, you can use one color for headings, another for callouts, and a matching cover image at the top to make everything feel like one theme. Another great way to create a themed look is by using icons, emojis, cover art, callouts, dividers, and columns. Notion's help pages show that these layout and styling tools are built into the editor. So a lot of what people call a theme in Notion is really a combination of page structure and visual styling choices. If you want a faster shortcut, use a template. Notion's template guide says the template gallery includes thousands of pre-built templates, and many of them are designed with a specific aesthetic or layout style already built in. So instead of creating your own theme from scratch, you can start from a template and customize it. Now, if you're talking about a published Notion site, themes work a little differently. Notion says you can open Share, then Publish, then Site Customization, and under Theme choose System, Light, or Dark. That means for Notion sites, the official theme options are currently System, Light, and Dark. And if you're using Notion Calendar, Notion says the theme settings there are Auto, Light Mode, or Dark Mode. So the exact theme controls depend on whether you're styling a page, a public site, or Notion Calendar. But the best way to add themes to Notion is to customize your page with fonts, colors, icons, covers, and layout tools. Or start from a template if you want a faster result. And for published Notion sites, use the built-in light, dark, or system theme options. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.